This will be our anticipation for the day on GBP JPY. Today's video is brought to you by Invest Social. Invest Social, it is a community where you can get to share market insights, market updates, market strategy. It is also a community where you can get to learn from other traders and also connect with other traders. And also, it is also a community that has a session for any financial markets you trade. If you are interested in be it stocks or forex or cryptos or indices, whatever of these financial markets, Invest Social has a session for every of these. To be part of this community, make sure you visit investsocial.com. This is our trend. Clearly, if you had to zoom it in, now GBPJPY for the past couple of days, it has literally been giving us the buy. The candle has been closing bullish. Every single day market opens, it tends to close bullish, right? It tends to close above, the level it's opened from. So this is still an indication that our market is still to the upside. Although it is slow, but the movement is still to the upside. So the anticipation is still to the upside. So we will say this movement is mostly for swing traders. So this movement is very much for swing traders and very much for position traders. But for this movement, I believe one more push-up is likely to play out next. A push-up to a level of 216.330. That is what I'll be expecting GBPJPY to give us. So if you want to go in for this buy, I will advise you to go in for the buy. If you want to do anything on this trade, go in for the buy and hold your buy position. So if you can hold your buy position for the next 2 to 3 days, it should be able to break above a level of 216.330. So this is to tell you that a buy is still what we are to expect. If in case there will be any changes, I'll make sure I do the updates and let you guys know. To be part of this community of, to learn more and share your own updates, make sure you visit investsocial.com.